Well, my name is Andy Foote. I'm 61 years old. I'm from Solihull in the West Midlands. I've founded 6 or 7 businesses and 3 charities. And I've caused the survival rate for pediatric brain tumours in children to go from 10% to 72%
Wow.
over a 20-year period. And that will be my finest legacy, nothing to do with business.
Fantastic. And Andy, you have a tip about everybody winning. What's the tip?
You said to me, "What is your number one tip in business as a CEO? Being a leader." And the tip is the winning culture. It's part of everyone winning, but you've got to have direction. You've got to be able to put people in the future and show them where we're going, so that you manifest towards it and show them what it means to them. Don't talk to them about features, which is you're going to have a bigger salary or you're going to have this. Talk to them about benefits. So if you say to them, and you're going to get 100 grand, that's one thing. But if you say you're going to get 100 grand, which means you can have a bigger house and you can go on holiday to the Maldives, so you put them in the future, you dine out on their future salary, give them leadership, direction, and then throw into the mix. Everybody has to win, the winning culture. So I found out a long time ago that recognition is more of a boost to people, more of a what's that word I'm looking for? A incentive than money. And when I found that out, that was great news for me. A pat on the back costs nothing, and giving them a bonus costs a lot of money. And so reward and recognition all the time. Recognize people, have awards, and et cetera, et cetera. And so a winning culture, celebrations, and so on and so forth.
Well, Andy Foote, thank you very much indeed. It's been a truly inspiring journey. I know why you were recommended by Matt to be on the Inspiring Leadership podcast. Thank you very much indeed. And I'm looking forward to spending more time with you with the Inspiring Leadership Foundation, helping the most disadvantaged in society, getting a leg up like you have been helping so many other people. So, Andy, thank you very much
Thank you, Jonathan. And sorry for calling you Jeremy.
indeed. Thank you. Bye for now.
Okay. Bye-bye.